Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Microsoft Word selection is locked. So let's dive right in. Start by opening the Word document you want to edit. But when I type something, no changes are made. At the bottom, it says, "The modification is not allowed." You can't make this change because the selection is locked. The first reason this can happen is when the author marks the document as final. In this case, the selection will be locked and you'll see a message at the top of the document that says "Marked as Final." To modify the document, you can simply click on Edit Anyway. This will allow you to make changes, but the selection will remain locked until you disable Mark as Final permanently. To do this, go to the File menu, then click on Info. Next, select Protect Document. You'll see the option Mark as Final in the drop-down menu. Click on it. After that, save your changes. Now, the selection should be unlocked, allowing you to edit the document freely. Sometimes, the selection is locked because the document is restricted from editing. This issue can be fixed by disabling the Restrict Editing feature. Here's how to do it. First, go to the File menu. Scroll down and click on Options. In the Options window, select Customize ribbon. You'll see a list of options. Look for the Developer tab and check the box next to it. Then, click OK. Now, you should see the Developer tab at the top of your Word document. Click on it. In this tab, find and click on Restrict Editing. This will open the Restrict Editing pane on the right side of your screen. Look for the Stop Protection button and click on it. This will disable any restrictions, unlocking the selection so you can edit your document. That's it for today's video. I hope one of these methods worked for you. If this video helped you out, make sure to join the Show Me Software free newsletter. It's linked in the description below. In this newsletter, I will tell you about the latest software tools and AI that can make you more productive at work and also improve your personal life in many different ways. You can also reply to these emails with any technical support questions you might have, and I'll do my best to help you out for free. This newsletter is completely free and will always be free. So click the link in the description to sign up.